Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer SB-27 and Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10 Happy Nails. And I've already got on Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone. And here is Bases Loaded Lacquer SB-27, a small batch polish. So here we go. We've already got our base coat on and dry, and we're going in with our first coat of SB-27. Beautiful, beautiful. It reminds me of cranberry sauce. I don't know why, because my cranberry sauce don't have any yellow things in it, but for whatever reason, that's what it's telling me. Alright, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and go in with the second coat. And you can tell that darkens it up a lot. A lot. I'm seeing purple and red and all kinds of pretty colors in here. So here we go. I'm going to cap that free edge again. I do that a lot of times with glitters. Anything that's got anything glittery. Kind of have to play with them when they try to jump off the end like this one right here. There we go. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door. This is my first top coat for getting them dry quick and ready for some stamping. And cap that free edge. Da, da, da. A little wonky looking nail, I swear. Anyhow, here is my swatch photo all on its own. And here we go with Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10 Happy Nails. One of those humongous plates. I'll be using Maniology, and this one is Gold Rush. Nice gold stamping polish. I got a Konad stamper and my H. Lacosador scraper. And we're just going to use this image on most of my nails. I am going to use one other image on my accent nail. And normally I do my ring finger and my thumb the same, but this time I didn't. The ring finger is the only one that's going to get anything special. I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with acetone. And we're just bebopping along. I really like this image though. Very pretty. Clean it up again. But I don't know. It kind of reminds me of like honeycomb a little bit, but it's not. It's or oriental decoration or ropes, or I don't know. There's just it drew me in. You guys know we've talked about that. How I just pull out a plate and look at it, and then whatever image jumps out, that's the one gets used. Alright. And I'm going to put these little flowers, it's like a double flower image, on my ring fingernail. Just a little something different. Just to be a little different. There we go. Awesome. I'm going to do my cleanup here. I'm going to clean up my scraper card and my stamping plate, my little mat. And get it all cleaned up before we put it away. Alright. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. I did remember to put some Burt's Bees Cuticle balm around my nails, so it comes up easier. Just got a little tiny bit of cleanup to do with my cleanup brush. There we go. Ta-da, ta-da. Yay. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And then once that is totally dry, I will be going in with a quick dry top coat. And today I'll be using Poshe. Get that all sandwiched together. This is like the top layer of the sandwich, y'all. Get it all sealed up, cap that free edge, and be able to wear this one for a little bit. There we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.